Assembling pocket hole joints is really easy. Part of the reason is that you only have the pocket holes in one piece. Because the screws are self-tapping, you don't have to drill pilot holes in the mating piece and then get everything lined up perfectly. All you have to do is position the two pieces where you want them. It is a good idea to clamp the pieces together during assembly. That'll just keep things from moving around, and it helps hold the faces nice and flush. Now, there's nothing tough about driving screws, but a couple of tips will make it easier. First, make sure your drill is set on its lowest speed and adjust the clutch so that it will slip before you overdrive the screws. You can take the pocket hole screws and put them in the pocket and then drive them in, but an easier way, because of Kreg's square drive screws, is to just go ahead and put the screw on the driver bit, and then you can drive it home. And with pocket hole joinery, it's just that easy to create a strong joint.